everyone, and welcome back to the channel. A huge thank you to all our amazing subscribers. We appreciate you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you would never miss out on helpful content for your academic journey. Today's video is all about a question we get all the time. What is the difference between a letter of motivation and a statement of purpose? If you are applying to study abroad, you need to get this straight because using them interchangeably could hurt your chance of getting accepted. So this video is proudly brought to you by Writers.NG, your academic writing support. Let's break it down. Statement of purpose. Statement of purpose is your academic and professional journey plus your future goals, while letter of motivation is your personal reasons and motivation for applying to that specific program. So, to summarize this, an SOP is goal-driven, while motivation letter is emotion-driven. But let's go deeper. Statement of purpose. An SOP is typically required for graduate schools like master's or PhD program. Why? Because it answers questions like what you have studied and what research or work experience you have. Then what are your academic and career goals? And then why the university and why the program. So for the tone, it has to be formal, focused, and structured. It is about showing that you are prepared, capable, and ready to contribute to the field. So, for letter of motivation, a letter of motivation is often requested for bachelor's programs, scholarship, or internships. It is more personal and it answers the following questions. Why are you passionate about this field? What sparked your interest in this program or country? And how will this opportunity impact your future? So for the tone has to be personal, it has to be passionate and very authentic. So it is about why. It's about your drive, your enthusiasm for learning and contributing. So which one should you write? Which one should you write? Always check the application guidelines. Why? Because some universities use the term interchangeably, but others are always very specific. If you are ever unsure, look at what kind of question they want answered. At Writers.NG, we help students analyze prompts and write exactly what the admission committee are looking for. So whether it is motivation letter or statement of purpose. So let's have a quick recap. For SOP, the focus is academic and professional goals, while the content should be background, goals, and fit. And it is commonly used for masters, PhD, and research. While for letter of motivation, the focus is personal motivation. The content should be passionate, interesting, and should show your enthusiasm. And it is commonly used for bachelor's, scholarship, and internship. So for statement of purpose, the tone should be formal and structured, while for letter of motivation, the tone should be personal and passionate. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and tag a friend who is studying, tag a friend who is applying to study abroad. Do you need help with your SOP or motivation letter? Head over to Writers.NG. We'll work with you to craft a document that reflects your strengths and stands out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay focused, stay passionate, and keep chasing your dream. Bye for now.